How to fix your Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. So sometimes what happens is the Facebook Marketplace will be hidden from your shortcut menu. So let me show you. Just open Facebook app and then make sure to sign in on your account. Then at the top, as you can see, the list of the shortcuts bar icons, but we don't find your Facebook Marketplace. So it might be hidden. For that, you can go to three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on gear icon at the top right corner, or you can also select settings and privacy at the bottom and tap on settings. Once you get access to the settings and privacy page, tap on see more in account center. Instead of that, you need to scroll all the way down to this preferences bar and tap on navigation bar. And then once you reach on this page, select customize the bar. And on the shortcut bar, we can see the hidden shortcuts. The marketplace has been hidden. So simply you need to tap on the hidden and tap on pin or auto. And then refresh the page. And when you go back to the home feed of your Facebook, then next to the friend request or the friends icon, you will see the Facebook Marketplace. So this might be the reason why your Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. Or else you can also select the three-line menu icon at the top right corner of the screen, and if it is not available on this menu section also, you can simply go to help and support and report a problem to Facebook team. Just select continue to report a problem, and once Facebook is creating report, you have to tap on don't include if you don't want to include the complete logs and diagnostic in your report, or else tap on include. And here you can select the product, select marketplace, and here you can describe the issue as well. You can tap on this upload from phone and include the attachment as well. And once you have described the issue, you can tap on the airplane icon at the top right corner that your marketplace is not available to you. And then after a few hours, Facebook will help you to fix it. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more updates.